Sukioon ang issue sa healthcare. So I'll be reading this question. So gentlemen, your question for healthcare is, given the ongoing issues with the Cebu City Medical Center, including procurement irregularities, unused medical equipment, and concerns over the Phase 5 bidding process, how do you plan to ensure transparency, accountability, and timely completion of this vital public health project?
Ang CCMC ni gasto na ta og more or less 1.5 billion. Nagsugod ni 12 years ago ang duha ka hospital, Chonghua and UCMED nagdungan. 2 years after nahumana sila. Karon kita 12 years wala pa ta. Now, I would like to tell you that the CCMC right now sa ilang gihimo nga phase 5 walay plano. How can you finish if that plans have no plans? So unsaon man na nato? Well, I asked them to visit my office. They visited my office. They have not completed the plans. Unsaon na nato? It's a waste of money. What I'm going to do, if I will be part of the city government and I'm the mayor, I'm going to audit it. Unsa man gyud nahitabo sa atong CCMC. Nganong upat man ni ka kontraktor? Nya ug naay mahitabo kinsa may mukuha sa responsibility. So, it is very important before doing anything, you need to audit. And you need to know what are the things to be done in order that things could be finished. Mauni ang atong buhaton kay ang ato ra bang 200 million nga gihatag sa mga private entity, gusto ra ba sa mayor nga ihatag didto sa city government nga sila nalay mo gamit. But this is not the way it should be done. Again, we need to have the plans in order that we can do what we call as the contracting or the bidding so that we could finish it. So, that's it.
Nag-wonder bitaw ko nga nganong 12 years na no, engineer? Yeah. More than 12 years, so niya hangtod ron na apas ikatulo ka andana ang napuslan, di pagyud kumpleto, no? So, katong giingon ni Engineer Archibald nga 1.5 billion adtong niaging mga semana, dunay gi-clippings nako nga super balita, more than 2 billion na ang gasto according to Mayor Raymond Garcia, naana sa super balita na butang. So ma 1.5 man or ma 2 billion ang gasto ana, basta ang punto diha nga perti nagyong dakua. Unya karon atong nasayran nga ang problema gid ana kay way plano, no? Murag nahug na og pagusto lang sa mga kontraktor ug unsay ilang isumpay diha. Now, kung buligan sa Ginoo, mga kaigsunan, kung itugot sa Ginoo makalingkod ta diha, ato gyud nang priority pagsulbad og problema unsaon nato na pagsulbad nga mapadayon gyud na nato aron mahuman kay luoy kaayo ang atong mga kaigsuonang Subuanon, no? Unya nawala pa ng cham diha sa Chonghua, di naman kadiha pwede pa kadiha magpa-admit pero bayran sa nimo ka galingon, taplan sa nimo. So unlike sa una nga sud ra kadiha diretso bisag wa kay 5 centavos, pero karon ang sitwasyon mao na. Now balik ta sa CCMC, Cebu City Medical Center, maunay atong i-priority pagsulbad kung itugot sa Ginoo kay maunay importante nga matabang nato sa atong mga kaigsuonan nga mapugos na lang usahay og adtog mga private nga makautang-utang kay kinsa may dili gusto nga kanang di ka masakit or gusto ka maayo. So mao na ang atong i-priority puhon kung itugot sa Ginoo.
Daghang salamat, Mr. Ko. Mayor Michael Rama, it's your turn.
Make by the mayor and make it all completed in 2 months. The shell. After the shell being completed, 3 months, it will become fully functional. It's a globally competitive as envisioned, where it becomes providing rich man services with care, compassion, and attention assured. I am not a part of the 500 million, neither have been a part of the so-called 4 contractors. No finger pointing anymore. Let's just roll our sleeves, Mr. Archibald. I know too well, we have a plan, we have the perspective, we have the design. Just again, Dominic Cook spoils the truth. Private sector will always be there. Money is 500 million waiting. Some are withdrawn. Why? Because they want it back to City Hall. And my good friend Nestor, I keep on telling him, Nestor, stop that shenanigan. And I'm thankful. In public, we've been able to create a supermajority to stop whatever is the bad intention of the current, I don't know if it's the current administration is stolen mandate. I cannot understand. But as I said, in finality, in my heart, we will finish it. Thank you.
Thank you, Mayor Rama. Sir Yogi.
In terms of CCMC, let's approach it from a scientific perspective. Let's stop finger pointing first and foremost. Kapoy na kayo na, daghan na kayong mga politika nga naitabo, daghan na kayong mga basulon. First and foremost, nabash na biya ko ani. Nag-interview ko usa ka reporter. Unsa kuni akong himuon kung mapili ta pagka-mayor sa siyudad sa Subo, party sa CCMC. Ako silang gitubag. First and foremost, let's hire a credible structural engineer because we cannot, di na to pwede ibaliwala. Take the case unsa nihitabo sa Bangkok, Thailand. A government building constructed by the government, funded by the government, ang hitabo 7.2 magnitude ng earthquake, hagsa. First and foremost, let's look for a credible structural engineer. And if the structural engineer will say that the CCMC is structurally fit, then by all means, let's complete it. Unsa man na siya nga pagbagi. Stop finger pointing. As I have said, watay adtuan ana. Magsige lang tagtudlo kung kinsa na ngasa, kinsay nagkasa, kinsay nasayop. Stop finger pointing. Find the solutions. Let's go floor to floor. Sulbaro na to niya problema. That's what I have done in the Bureau of Customs. I solved collection inefficiency. We identified the different problems in the different departments. So that is what we will be doing. CCMC is solvable as long as we approach it from a scientific perspective. Sakto na ng politika. We have been suffering so much. Luoy na kaya itong kakigsuunan. Karon, natay mga kakigsuunan nga ospital asa Mandalhon. Kamuray mo tubag ana. CCMC will be finished, but let's approach it scientifically. Stop finger pointing, stop politics. Thank you so much.